Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the light button right here. So let's press and hold the button. Once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. One mention before we continue. You can pair this watch with a phone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process. So basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the other way is to do it through the system or through the settings once the system is already set up, because you can set up the watch without pairing it with a phone. So first I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, so if the watch is brand new, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up. Okay, so if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Once you find the language you would like to use, tap on it to select it, and you will see this message. Basically, it's asking us if we want to pair the watch with a phone. We want to do it, so press the start button to confirm, and you will see the QR code on the screen. You can use that code to basically download and install the Garmin Connect application, and to do it you will need to scan it with your phone's camera. But I'm just gonna open the Play Store and download it from there. And to do it you will need to have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store or scan the QR code, and then tap on search, tap on the search bar, type in Garmin Connect, and on the list of apps you should see the Garmin Connect. Tap on it, tap on install, and wait until the application is done installing. And once it's done installing, you should see the open button. You can tap on it to open the application. In the app, you will see the login page. Basically, we need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have a new account, or any account rather, tap on create account button and make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in to log in. But like I said before, if you don't have an account, make a new one and then log in into it. Okay, tap on sign in, check the box, tap on next, and enter the email address and password. And then you can tap on next to log in. And after you log in, you'll probably see some pop-ups about the permissions, and we need to allow them. So tap on allow access, tap on allow, and the app should start searching for the new devices. But as you can see, I already have a watch added right here on the list. So if the app isn't automatically searching for the nearby devices, you need to tap on more, tap on Garmin devices, and tap on add device. And it's gonna basically start searching for nearby devices, and it should detect your watch, and that's how it should look after you enable the permissions, basically, if you don't have any other devices connected to your account. And once you see this page and you see your watch, tap on connected, tap on allow, tap on pair, next. Like if you have more than one devices connected to your account, you'll be asked if you want to make it a primary wearable, and I do, so I'm gonna tap on yes. And here we can set up a schedule for sleeping. This is useful if you want to sleep with your watch on and you don't want to be disturbed during the night. So basically it will turn on the do not disturb mode automatically and turn it off automatically when you wake up. And you can set it up by tapping on edit, check the days on which you want to use the do not disturb mode. It doesn't allow me to change the days because I have two separate schedules. So if I uncheck, for example, Tuesday here, and then tap on edit here, and I will be able to select the Tuesday right here. So you can only have days selected in. So if you had a schedule that was basically for all of the days, you won't be able to set up a different schedule. That's how it works. I don't know why, but it is what it is. And of course, if you want to change the bedtime, you can tap on bedtime right here, then wake time. And once you're done, you can tap on save. And once you set up the schedules, you can tap on next. Here you can select the preferred rest. And right here we can allow the notification access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. So if you want to do it, tap on allow notification access. If you don't care and you don't want to use notifications, tap on skip. And of course, if you tap on allow notification access, you need to tap allow here. Next we have the location permission. This is useful for features like local weather, maybe something like tracking your routes during the running, cycling and stuff like that. So if you want to use any of these features, you will need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can skip it. And if you want to allow it, tap on allow access, tap on permissions, scroll down, find the location, tap on it, and select either allow all the time or allow only while using the app. And then tap on the back button to go back. Next we have the calendar access. This is useful if you want to basically see the events and stuff like that on your watch. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to allow calendar access, tap on allow and allow. Then we have call log access, and this is useful for the notifications about calls. And you have call log access, I believe, phone access and stuff like that. So you will need to allow couple permissions. Of course, if you don't want to use any of these features, tap on skip. If you want to allow it, tap on allow, allow. Same for the phone call access and the messages. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see this page. Tap on, oh my bad, tap on sync now. Finish. Here we have a tutorial how to use our watch. I'm gonna tap on skip, but you can go through it by tapping on next, then finish, and we can connect our watch to the Wi-Fi network. If you don't care, you can tap on set up Wi-Fi later. If you want to do it now, tap on add network. It will start searching for the nearby device, not devices but networks. Select the network you want to connect to. Tap on password and enter the password for the network. And then you can tap on next. And it should connect to your network if you enter the password correctly. Then tap next, finish. Not now. Got it. And you should see your watch right here at the top. And if you tap on more Garmin devices, you should see your watch right here on the list. And on the watch, we can also select the text size, and we can adjust it by swiping on the screen, I believe. Yeah. So adjust the text size to your preferences, and then press the start button to confirm. Here you can select the activities, so for favorites. So if you want to do it, tap on the, or rather press the button, the start button, select the activity, and then you can do multiple, of course. So select the activities you like, and once you're done, tap on the done button. Come on, done. And you should see the watch face of your watch. And that means that the watch is paired with your phone and it's ready to use. Now I'm gonna unpair our watch and we're gonna pair it through the settings. So let's unpair it. Okay. Let's go to Bluetooth settings and check if it's here. It is here, so I'm gonna remove it like this. Okay. And now we're gonna pair it. To pair the watch through the settings, we need to basically open or rather enter the pairing mode on our watch. So go to your watch, press and hold the menu button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the option called connectivity. Once you find it, tap on it, and here find phone. tap on it, and then scroll down, find the option called Pair Phone, and tap on it. The watch will enter the pairing mode. Now you can download and install the app, but we have it installed already, so we can open the Connect app, tap on More, Devices, Add Device. It will start searching for the devices and it should detect your watch. Once it does, basically tap on Connect and do all the stuff we did before. So basically go through the setup process to pair. Then you need to set up the sleeping schedules. If your app is already installed or you had the app already installed, you won't need to deal with the permissions again. But if it's new, you will need to do it again. Yes, we want the primary wearable, set up the sleeping schedule, preferred wrist, location permission. It is allowed, but I believe the app wants the allow all the time. For some reason, it's weird like that. And next we have the sync now, finish. Tutorial, and in Wi-Fi network, I'm gonna tap on setup Wi-Fi later. For now, finish, and you should see your watch up here with the green dot, and also if you go to Garmin devices, it should be right here on the list. Okay, now we can close the app, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.